Ever noticed how overpacking tends to dampen your travel joy? It's not just about lugging extra weight, it's about the freedom forfeited when you're weighed down by too many belongings. Packing light is not merely a convenience, it's a philosophy that enhances your travel experience immeasurably. Imagine moving through airports with ease, navigating crowded markets unencumbered, or spontaneously changing your itinerary without the dread of repacking a mountain of just-in-case items. The secret? Versatile clothing and multi-purpose gadgets are your best friends. Choose garments that can be layered or adapted to different settings, like a sleek, reversible jacket or quick-dry pants. Invest in a compact, durable travel backpack that forces you to prioritize essentials. This approach isn't just practical, it imbues your travels with a sense of adventure and spontaneity. You become more present, more engaged with your surroundings, and less distracted by the chore of managing belongings. Plus, the less you pack, the more room you have to bring back unique finds and precious memories. In the end, traveling light isn't just about saving space, it's about enriching your travel experience and ultimately, your life.